Custom Venture, when we learn sewing tips. Today we'll be cutting kaftan with keyhole. Kaftan with keyhole, or you call it abaya gown, as you want it. The material I'm using is a bit drawing kind of material, so that you can give it a bit of a fitting. Okay, I will be working with the length 47. This is the length 47 with the sewing allowance, making it 48. Okay, and then already I have the two, both the front panel and the back panel. So the first thing I'm going to do is I mark the neck circumference. Okay, I'll be using the 4, that is 6 divided by 2, that is 4. Okay, so I notch it here because the size, the front shape is different from the back shape. So I notch it here, okay, since I've gotten those space to do it for the neck circumference. So I will slant my shoulder, this will be the shoulder. I will slant it by 1 inch, okay, by 1 inch. So from this place where I notched for the neck circumference, I slant it to the 1 inch I measured, so that it can give a good bending. Our shoulder is a bit bending, slanting, okay. So I open the front panel, so that because they have of different design. Okay, this is the front panel and this is the back panel. So let me cut the back panel first. I just give it a depth of 1.5, so that it's not completely circled. 1.5. And of course it's going to be 4. Okay, so I mark the back circumference out. There's the back. So the front, this is where I notch for the front. The front is going to be a bit deeper. I'll be using 4.5. Sorry for the marker I'm using, but just follow it as I'm explaining in 4.5, and it's going to be curved. The material, if I have to use marker, it will stain it, so I just use this pencil to make it very faint. Then I curve it. Sorry, I ought to have used the back so that the pencil doesn't show at all, but all the same, the pencil matches the color of the material, so it wouldn't show much. Okay, so I've got my front and back panel now. Okay, you should fold it back because we are still going to shape it. We are still going to measure the underline on the bust. set it properly so that you don't miss it. So my keyhole is going to be a bit under bust, so that by the time you put your belt, it will give it a good folding, a good fitting. So on the bust is 18 plus sewing allowance of 18 and a half. So I have 18 and a half here. 18 and a half. Okay, I hope you are following us. Then the on the bust is 48. 48 divided by 4, we have 12. We have 12. Okay, 12. 12 plus half, we have 12 and a half. So this is where my keyhole ought to be. You know, this is my under bust. So this is where my keyhole has to be. So here, I'm going to form a circle, a hole there. A hole, you can see it there. Okay, I'm going to pierce the hole. I'm going to because I want it to be well fitted. The hip length of the button is 23. 23. Okay. And then at the hip, so the hip measurement is 23 plus the sewing allowance, we make it 23 and a half. 23 and a half. And then the measurement of the hip is 46. 46 divided by 4. So we have it as the hip of the person 46. When we divide it by 4, we have 11 and a half plus sewing allowance. I know this kaftan is of a free material, so you can make it about 13. So is that 13 we are going to measure? That is there. Make it to be free down. So when we are sewing it, we are going to sew this place. Okay. 13. So let me pierce the keyhole now. And I will put us through how we are going. This is the keyhole. Let's notch it so that we can pierce it. Be careful so that it's not too wide. Okay, I pierced the hole. So I will take it to the machine now to sew it. Okay. It's such a simple one because I will join the hands together and I will sew this. Okay. I will teach you how to sew it. Okay, you're welcome. Look at the two holes for the front and back panel. So how do we take it? We take it this way. This is how you sew it through. Then it will come out with O. Okay, I haven't joined in now, I put face to face. So they notch it round so that you'll be able to form very well, so that the circle will be well formed. Be careful not to cut the main cloth. Just notch it around like that. Okay. The O is ready. So from under the O, I'm going to sew it down. So from the edge, all I need for the bust is 50. So of course, and then from here, I will just measure about 4.5 in. So it's going to fall under the O. I sew it through. Okay, I'll do the same with the second side. And then after that, I take the